It is 9:45 right now, and it is flurrying out right now. And we're actually getting it pretty early. They said it's supposed to start around 11:30. It's only 9:30, and we're already getting a little stuff, and it's accumulating. I'd say it didn't even reach the surface yet, but it's sticking, so it's a good sign. "12 p.m. Got a good 1.5 inches, 2 inches so far, and it's still coming down. Roads are starting to stick.
Don't tell anybody what we do.
Go. Sticking out.
Shut the window, Nick. 3:15. Blizzard Sunday. I'd say a lot of inches of snow. And it's windy and very cold. 25 degrees currently, with high winds, which makes it probably like 20. Around 20-30 mile an hour winds. Snowman's trying to hold his own, and it's a winter wonderland.
That really paints the picture, and Jesse Osher will have more of that coming up next on the traffic report. Shirley and West Hampton snowfall amounts approaching 6 inches with temperatures in the middle and upper 20s, so plenty cold enough for snow, and every flake counts with temperatures well below freezing. Some visibilities below even 1/10 of a mile in heavy snow and blowing and drifting of the snow, and a wind gust of 58 miles an hour approaching 60 miles an hour over an ice slip. Therefore, a blizzard warning in effect. Do not, I repeat, do not go out. Heavy snow. It's a blinding snow at times. And for you Monday morning, the snow will taper off from west to east, looking at 12 to 18 inches on average island-wide when all is said and done. Baldwin coming in with 6.5 inches of snow, closer to 5 inches as one gets out towards Mount Sinai and Flanders. 12 to 18 inches on the ground by 8 a.m. Monday, maybe 6 to 12 inches out along the Twin Forks and the East End. Heavy snow back into central and southern New Jersey, so still a while to go with this storm.
Public House, the East End's award-winning craft brewery and restaurant, open year-round for lunch and dinner.
9:30, 10 o'clock, and I just came downstairs and I saw this car parked on the other side of the street and it wasn't moving, so I looked over there a little bit and then I saw a cop roll up with his lights on. And then I was like, oh, maybe he skidded off. And then, can't really tell if that's like a fire truck or a ambulance. But something's going on. Okay, it's official. A tree has fallen in the path of oncoming traffic in this blizzard. Trying to get the camera to focus up. You hear the chainsaws. And a big tree has fallen. "10 p.m. I'm pretty sure we got about, I'd say 6 to 7 inches as of now. And we're expecting over 18. The storm's remaining on till around 6 a.m. And right now it's 10 p.m. So we are literally right in the middle of the storm right now. And it's getting real nasty out there. It is 10 a.m. Monday. And it looks like we got pretty good. Not over 12 inches though. I say about 9 to 10. But the snowdrifts are pretty big. That's a good like 16 inches. Man, it was windy last night. See, the road not terrible. But that one's not so good. And it looks pretty good.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corncob pipe and a button nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, for when they placed it on his head, he began to dance around. Oh, Frosty the Snowman was alive as he could be, and the children say he could laugh and play just the same as you and me. So he said, let's run and we'll have some fun now before I melt away.
Down to the village with a broomstick in his hand,
Running here and there all around the square, saying, catch me if you can.
he led them down the streets of town right to the traffic cop.
And he only paused a moment when he heard him holler.
Stop!
Frosty the Snowman had to hurry on his way, but he waved.
I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I just want you for my own, more than
outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. It doesn't show signs of stopping, and I brought some corn for popping. The lights are turned down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. When we finally kiss goodnight, how I'll hate going out in the storm. But if you'll really hold me tight, all the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying, and my dear, we're still goodbying. As long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.